Let me share some beautiful thoughts about prosperity. Universe is full of abundance, opportunities, possibilities, but we are not able to connect with it because we live in the thoughts of memory, dream, anxiety, ambition, and we miss this beautiful moment. So, in order to attract abundance, we need to connect with it, and we must have focus our attention and energy on the thought of richness, prosperity, abundance than the thoughts of lackness, scarcity, and poverty. As soon as we focus our attention on the thought of lackness, scarcity, we create some confusion and doubt within ourselves in the form of obstacle, barrier. Therefore, we are not able to attract abundance into our life. So, we need to let go of the thoughts of the past and the future. Existence is ready to bring too much abundance into our life, but we live with too much ego and limiting belief system. So, in order to attract the thought of abundance, prosperity, we need to transcend our ego and break our limiting belief system. But the question comes, how can you break the limiting belief system? Right from the morning till evening, we work for somebody else, and at the end of life, whatever money we save, that's all. But our life is finished because this belief has been created by our society, communities, parents, that you have to work from morning till evening for somebody else. But it doesn't make sense. So, how can you attract abundance, prosperity? Therefore, you need to break limiting belief system and transcend our ego. But the question comes, how can you break the limiting belief system? For this, you need to be open minded, explore, discover, evolve more and more by whatsoever ways. Because limiting belief system created within us as a result of conditioning and programming since childhood, the way we are born and brought up. So we need to break the conditioning and programming of ourselves. In order to attract prosperity, you must have balanced your life in terms of financial abundance, spiritual abundance, emotional abundance, psychosocial, psychological, loving, forgiveness, kindness, compassion. You must have powerful wisdom, freedom, because all these factors are interlinked, and if you miss one of them, all of them are affected gradually. And that is the meaning of togetherness, completeness, fullness, wholeness of our life in order to attract prosperity. You must have gratitude for whatsoever you have into this moment. Then you will attract more and more abundance into your life, and you can live peacefully, joyfully, in a silence with profound love. Nature is full of abundance. When you ask one flower, nature would give you millions of it. You can enjoy with the chirping of the birds. You can enjoy with the fragrance of flower. Go and enjoy with it completely, deeply, profoundly, without any judgment, no labeling, just witnessing of whatsoever is happening into this moment. Connect with the nature. Don't connect with the human being. Because as soon as you connect with the nature, you become the nature. And that is the right meaning of prosperity. You must let go and disconnect with all kinds of the thoughts of the past and the future. Most of the people are living in the thought of stress, anger, jealousy, all kinds of negative emotion. Therefore, they need to move their consciousness towards courage, enlightenment, truth, silence, peace, happiness,